Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So I'm here to do another reaction video to the TikTok Try Not to Laugh challenge, but this is TikTok Try Not to Laugh Impossible. This is number 1. So I see that there's more than different clips, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and more. So I decided if I don't laugh in this one to continue, because so let's see how funny these videos are.
Quiz.
Probably not.
It spells Divok. What the fuck is going on?
See? Excuse me. Can I get a cup of coffee? Black? Can't you see we talking? White?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Top Things. Sometimes joking with a friend might go wrong and create a huge mess.
Can't with that cat.
Wait.
Damn, the whole wow, they all have the same last name. Don't do that, don't do that. You can't scare the goat like that.
Have you ever thought cuteness could make you laugh? If no, check this one out.
Let me turn it right.
Wow.
Meals and moments are better with Galvani.
The reason your hair is thinning has been your shampoo? No matter what hair growth products you use, your thinning hair is an improvement.
Oh my god, why did it stuck over my brain? Holy.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
This guy tries to revenge for being ridiculed, but it doesn't go as he intended to.
Dude, your soda's on your car. Your soda's on your car. Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now?
This dog apparently loves going out so much so that he's taking himself out for a walk.
Stop it.
Independent.
Love each other.
Almost got me.
Damn.
It's the funniest thing in the video.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
What? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. That's a trooper.
This is the best one we have this year so far.
Oh no. Should have had that, boy.
This could be the most dramatic dog you'll ever see.
I'm sorry.
Phone. Si Donna. Donna Bell.
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay, it's that dog one got me. Hamsters? No.
What I absolutely love about Fearless is that you can see
Some people never accomplish things even if they cheat.
Yeah, almost won.
Fuck, I am such an idiot. Bro, I locked the keys in. Fuck. What am I gonna do? Oh no, I'm in so much trouble.
Donnie, tell her Happy Valentine's Day. Happy
Gapi,
Valentine's
Valentine,
Day.
gay,
Happy Valentine's Day.
bagan binti.
Perfect. I thought you were. I thought you were gringo, but you're not. Okay, let's see it. Tell her.
Camping Kambagante.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't understand you.
Yes.
Black truck, pick up your speed. Speed limit is 60. Black truck, pick up your speed. Thanks. Attention all pedestrians, please clear the area. I'm going to be attempting to parallel park. Thank you. Oh my God, really? Really?
Eso, su nombre, amigo. Fernando. ¿Y por acá? Carlos. ¿Ok? González. Oh.
When your pet runs low on energy in a store.
Ui giời. Ui cái ông này.
He is laid out.
Ê, ông ơi. Ê.
He ready to go to bed. Leave him alone. Let him sleep.
Rồi cái mua đồ cho ngủ này. Hả? Hả?
Is he okay? Is he?
Thuốc mê này.
Ah.
Ê. Ngủ đi. Ngủ đi.
Ah.
Rồi. Ê.
You better wake up, sir.
Ngủ đi.
Ah.
Ngủ đi. Dậy thôi.
What did you give this poor dog?
Dậy đi về nào, tối rồi.
I want what you're having.
Trời.
These girls were about to film a TikTok video, but this happened instead.
I like the house.
No, he's not.
Some people say our trade-in process feels too easy. They can't believe it's 100% online.
I like that faucet. Come through. Better stand out from the rest. Okay, so that video, that dog video got me. So I laughed. So I failed one. So I laughed because of that dog one. Everybody else is like, but that was a TikTok try not to laugh challenge impossible part 1. So I'm trying to do the rest of them. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to these TikTok funny videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comments section and get to it. And to let others know, I do not have a TikTok. I respect everyone what they do on their TikTok. You know, do what you do, but some of the TikTok is not really for me. If I do decide to get one, I will get one, but nothing is getting my attention yet to go to TikTok. So all them TikTokers out there, do y'all thing. Do y'all stay on your grind, create your content, do you. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for this.